Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to make flower design introduction. Here are the steps on how to make intro. Number 1, open KineMaster application. Number 2, click Continue to Apps. Number 3, press Create New. Number 4, click Media. Number 5, at the side of the screen, choose Photo. Number 6, click Images. Number 7, choose any color or design you want. I always choose this white square here, and then I'll decide after which color I want. Number 8, to change color of your background, just click color on the selection. In here you can choose any color you want, and you can change it anytime as you wish. Nine, to put sticker on your video, just click layer and then choose sticker after. Under the sticker, there are lots of options here, and I did install this one before, so normally I took my sticker from here. But if you want to have more sticker or another design, you can go to the store icon, and here you can choose any sticker and design you want. So as you can see on the video, I'm choosing the Welcome Spring design, and then number 10, select any flower design, but in this video I choose the sunflower design. To add more sticker, you just press layer and then sticker, and then click the flower you want and adjust it to bigger or smaller, or make it in the other direction or another angle, and then again go to layer and then sticker, choose flower you want, and then adjust and put it where you want to place on the video. So again and again if you want more flowers. Number 11, to adjust how long the sticker will be on the video, just slide the red line at the bottom. Number 12, to put text, click layer and then select text. 13, type your channel name. Number 14, choose the font style you want. So just click the text icon on the selection and then select the style of the font in this option. So if you want to make the size of the text bigger, so just slide the arrow up or down depending on what size you want on the video, and then you can also put glow or border of the font by just pressing the glow, and then you can adjust the glow size and the color also. So if you want like pink here, so you can do that, or any color of your choice. Here I add another text, and it's just the same instruction. Go to the layer and then press text and then type the text you want, and then change the font, choose font you want, adjust the size of the text on the video. So it's just the same pattern. If you want that your text will move, just press the animation, so you can choose from the selection. Number 15, to put music background, click audio. Number 16, select any music background you want.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Number 17, click the plus sign to add the music on your video. Click the mixer on the selection if you want to adjust the volume of your music background. If you want not too loud, you can make it less than 100%. Number 18, to save it, click the save icon on the upper corner of the screen. Number 19, make sure to slide the blue line to the end. Number 20, click export. Number 21, you will see this video saved on your photo library. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification.